Hello children, we can start next chapter, algebraic expressions. Last year you have started studying this algebra, isn't it? So we can come to this year's topic, algebra as generalization. Here we can see some figures are given. Matchsticks are arranged in such a manner to get a trapezium. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 matchsticks are used here for making a trapezium. Okay, how many trapeziums are here? 1 trapezium. And how many matchsticks used? 5. You can see the table, number of trapezium and number of matchsticks. 1 trapezium and 5 matchsticks are needed. Then to make 2 trapeziums, how many matchsticks are used? You can count the number, it is 9. Then for making trapezium of 3 in number, we need 13. Okay, 13 matchsticks are needed. Then we can find how many matchsticks are needed. Then here in the last column we can see x, 4x plus 1. We have to study what does this x means and 4x plus 1 means. Okay, here we can see the numbers are used. Number of trapezium 1, 2, 3, etc. Then number of matchsticks used for preparing the trapezium, that is 5, 9, 13, 41, 81, like that. You can see the number. Okay, so from this table we are getting one generalization, that is here you can see the number of trapeziums are varying. The number of trapezium, that is 1, 2, 3, etc. going on. Then 4, 5, etc. We can select any number of trapeziums. So that number is considered as x. Okay. X means it is an English alphabet. A small letter is used here. So this small letter in English alphabet used in the case of algebra are called as variables. Here variables are used for substituting values, which means variables have no constant value. It can acquire any values which we are giving. Then what is the difference between constant and the variable? The numbers used here are the constants. 1, 2, 3, etc. The numbers, the counting numbers we used are constants, because there is no change in the number 3, 5, 7, any number. There is no change for that. Every time, everywhere, the number is same itself. But the variable we used can accept any values which we are giving. For example, you can see x is equal to 20. Instead of this x, instead of 20, we can give 10. X is equal to 10. Instead of this 20, we can give another value, 100. That is 100. In this row, we can see it represents the number of trapezium. So instead of this 20, we can give 100. That is number of trapeziums, 100. In such a way, x can accept any value. And here we can find one relation between the number of trapezium and the matchsticks used here. The generalization is like this, 4x plus 1. We can see how we are obtaining this 4x plus 1. We said x can accept the value which we are giving here. Then we are reaching the expression 4x plus 1. In the first case, 4x plus 1, instead of x we can give 1. 4 into 1. What is it? 4. Then plus 1. 4 plus 1, 5. Then instead of x we can substitute 2 here. 4 into 2 plus 1. 4 into 2, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. So, by applying the values or the number of trapeziums in this expression, we can find the number of matchsticks used here. Okay. Similar questions you can see in the textbook. You can try it and complete it in the textbook itself. You can write the answer with a pencil in your textbook itself. No need to copy to the notebook. Okay. Then we can see we are coming to this part x 4x plus 1. So here x is termed as a variable, and here we said 4x plus 1 is an expression. So an expression is the combination of variable and the constants. Which is the variable used here? X. Which are the constants used here? 4 and 1. 4 and 1, they are the numbers, they are not changing. It is a fixed value. So 4 and 1 are known as the constants, and x is known as the variable. Okay. Now we can see how we are finding the value when we are giving some expression. What is the 50th term of the series? One series is given, that is 16, 23, 30, 37, 44, etc. Then having algebraic expression 7x plus 1. This series having the algebraic expression 7x plus 9. It is the generalization. We can using this expression we can find any term of this series. Here we are going to find the 50th term. Okay, so for finding the 50th term we can substitute x as 50. 7 into 50 plus 9. We know we studied the BODMAS rule. First we have to do the multiplication. Then 7 into 50, 350 plus 9. So 359 is the number is coming in this series as the 50th term. Okay. Then here, what is the 20th term of the series? 5, 12, 19, 26, 33, etc. In this expression, 7x minus 2, 20th term. Again, this x will be replaced by 20. 7 into 20 minus 2. That is 140 minus 2. 138 is the 20th term of this series. Okay.